yeah. Oh, you too fine.
Thank you.
See, I love you past my mama. So I tell you, say I love you past my mama. You dey see yesterday. Wetin be your prayer point?
I won't get rich husband.
You wan get rich husband?
Yes, of course.
And I tell you, say I love you past my mama. I think say the people dey tell me say I dey craze. I no know say you dey craze, John. Like I tell you, say I love you past my mama. You dey happy? My mama wey dey for village dey pray for me make I dey rich. I no go love am. I go come love you. Wey wan leave me go marry rich husband. Obria, go. Why? To Michabai. Na just to dey chop us. Since when you dey chop me? You see am? I don ask you now whether wetin be your prayer point. I wan marry rich husband. You wan marry rich husband. That's why you don't even have plan for me. Obria. Mommy, I too love you, John. I go fit leave mama. I go leave mama come dey love girl. Abeg, guys, make una kpachara nya o. See girls. See, this is 2021 o. 2021. No go suck me as you suck me last year. See, anytime wey you go, I don't go to this.
Thank you guys for watching that funny comedy. Please subscribe to Funny Parrots YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.